common problem with the TCM CVT on a 2005 Mini Cooper R50 is a failing transmission, often experiencing slipping, delayed engagement, or complete lack of acceleration. Due to issues with the CVT belt, seals, or internal components, which can be a major concern as these transmissions are known to have reliability issues in earlier Mini Cooper models. Many owners have reported needing replacements even with relatively low mileage. Key points about the Mini Cooper R50 CVT issues: slipping transmission, one of the most noticeable symptoms. Where the car feels like it's not fully engaging when accelerating. High RPMs, the engine may rev high without proper acceleration due to a worn-out belt or pulley issues. Delayed engagement. The car may take a noticeable time to start moving after putting it in drive. Whining noises. A whining sound from the transmission area could indicate a failing CVT. Transmission fluid leaks. Leakage of pinkish transmission fluid can be a sign of internal problems. Possible causes of CVT failure on a Mini Cooper R50. Worn CVT belt, the primary component responsible for power transfer, which can stretch or break due to wear and tear. Faulty pulleys. The pulleys that control the belt tension can malfunction, affecting transmission operation. Internal seals failure. Worn seals can lead to fluid leaks and internal component damage. Valve body issues. The electronic control unit that manages fluid pressure within the transmission can malfunction. What to do if you suspect a CVT problem? Check transmission fluid level. Ensure the fluid is at the proper level and is not discolored. Get a professional diagnosis. Have a qualified mechanic inspect the transmission to identify the exact cause of the problem. Consider a rebuild or replacement, depending on the severity of the issue. A transmission rebuild or replacement might be necessary.